Add a little more water, Shahar.
Yeah.
Just because. It's that fine line between too much water and too little water. Too much water will still work. It'll take longer to settle. But then when you're adding inclusions, it's kind of a pain because then your stuff keeps sinking. Less water in that case will keep your inclusions on the surface because it's going to, the concrete will settle faster. There's less water. So here it is. I've got a nice pinkish look.
That's good.
Okay. Then what do? I pour it in. So let's just pour it in. Move my thing.
Yeah, there you go.
Just going to pour it in. This kind of pancake mix there. Now, if your mold space is too big, you might need more than one tablespoon.
And it's a good thing to check that before you mix the pigment, right?
It really is, because then it's really hard for you to replicate, especially because I was just like, get a little pinch. So then how do you get the same little pinch? So I'm finding myself in a pinch right now because...
In a pickle.
In a pickle, because I didn't really add much. See, if we can see this from the side, look at, that's too thin of a piece, not so good. What do? I hurry and I mix some more concrete to make up for that. Or could have gone with a smaller mold to begin with. So here we're going to have issues in the sense that your color is probably not going to be the same. But that's okay. So I'm going to add a little bit less pigment because I already had pigment in here, and I'm going to mix it up. Now, you're running against time because your other concrete is settling, but that's okay.
So not the time to answer the phone, text a friend.
Right. It's so funny. I have so many blank pieces because I'll put them in the mold and then I start doing something else and I forget that I had it. I have like a gazillion blank pieces. But I'm going to show you tomorrow how to use them, especially with the concrete embroidery. It's perfect. So then pouring it in there. Look, Shahar, we actually got pretty close.
Nice.
Pretty close.
Yeah, I'm looking from very close and I cannot see the difference.
Yeah. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm kind of going to mix it